This is Weather with Whittaker, Summer Edition. I'm meteorologist Katie Whittaker with your official Mid-Hudson Valley forecast for the week of July 26, 2021. It was a hot and humid day today, and we did have some fog in the area this morning. Once that fog cleared, we actually did see some smoke moving in from the wildfires in California, and I'll have more on that in just a minute. But if you take a look at the weather map, this is for tomorrow morning. That's Tuesday morning. You'll see the cold fronts to the north and to the south. High pressure is trying to work its way in from the Midwest. It'll have a hard time doing so, but I do think we'll have a relatively pleasant Tuesday. Can't rule out a shower or a storm passing through, especially in the afternoon. Those cold fronts in the area trigger a little bit of instability, but high pressure is trying to make an appearance for the day tomorrow, and I think it will be a hot one. If you like hot weather, soak it up, because I think we'll see a change later in the week. We'll have a coastal system developing towards the southeast that will bring in some clouds, some rain, and some drop in temperature and dew points. So let's talk briefly about those wildfires. Now, what happens is, as these wildfires grow, they're able to produce more smoke, and that convection, density base, right? Heat rises, cold sinks. That convection forces the smoke, and because those particulates are rather small, the updraft of the wind is able to bring those smoke particles up pretty high, and the larger the fire, the higher up the smoke can go. Now, these smoke particles can go up to 5 miles high. Once we get up there, we're in the stratosphere, so we live down in the troposphere. That goes for about 5 to 7 miles, and the next layer up is the stratosphere. If you fly in a commercial jet, you're flying in the stratosphere. And so those smoke particles can get up that high, and once you get into those higher portions of the atmosphere, the higher level winds push those smoke particles along. So they basically catch a ride on a fast current of air. Jets, the jet stream, right? Jets like to fly in them because it helps to push them. If you're going from west to east, the flight will be faster because you have a wind at the tail. So what happens is these smoke particles go up, the jet streams push them across. This graphic is showing the carbon release from the fires, and you'll see it go up and then dip back down, which is a very classic signature of a jet stream, so it's following the jet stream. So when the jet stream lines up with here in New York, it carries the smoke from the wildfires in California thousands of miles across the country to here in New York. All right, I also want to talk about some meteor showers. There are 2 peaking for Wednesday. That's Wednesday into Thursday. So if you're interested, take a look outside. I do think we'll have a bit in the way of cloud cover, so it might not be the best conditions. Fingers crossed that we'll have better luck with the Perseids in August. But for the meteor shower peaking this week, those meteor showers, just because they say they're peaking, is not the only day it's occurring. It's been going on for a couple of weeks, and it'll keep going on for a couple of weeks. It's just as far as frequency, Wednesday night into Thursday, you would see the most meteors. All right, without further ado, let's get to the 5-day forecast. So for your Tuesday, look for some morning sun with some afternoon clouds. Some showers and thunderstorms are possible. Highs will be around 90. For Wednesday, look for morning clouds and partial clearing in the afternoon. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm throughout the day. High near 80. For Thursday, again, that coastal low sets up. Could see some moderate rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Highs in the mid-70s. For Friday, might have a lingering shower or 2 in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy and pleasant. Highs in the mid to upper 70s. And for Saturday, partly cloudy, low humidity. Looks like a really pleasant day with highs in the mid to upper 70s. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's Weather with Whittaker, and I'll look forward to seeing you again next week.